The mountain doesn't care about your heart rate. The ocean doesn't care about your sleep score. And the wilderness? It definitely doesn't care about how many notifications are sitting in your pocket. When you're miles away from the nearest cell tower, standing at the edge of what's possible, you don't need a gadget. You need a tool. You need a partner that is tougher than the terrain and smarter than the challenges you're about to face. For years, one name has sat at the top of the food chain in the world of extreme endurance and outdoor exploration: Garmin. But today, the game has changed again. The king of the mountains has returned with a new crown. This is the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. This isn't just a smartwatch. It is a tactical survival instrument, a world-class sports laboratory, and a sapphire-clad beast that refuses to die. Most people look at a watch to see the time. You're going to look at this watch to see how much further you can push the human spirit. Stay with me, because we are about to go on a 30-minute journey into the most advanced piece of wearable technology ever built for the great outdoors. If you think your current watch is pro, prepare to be humbled. Let's talk about the first thing that hits you: the presence. The Fenix 8 Pro doesn't just sit on your wrist, it commands it. Built to US military standards for thermal, shock, and water resistance, this watch is a fortress. We're talking about a fiber-reinforced polymer case with a titanium rear cover and a bezel that looks like it was carved out of a jet engine. But the real revolution this year is the screen. For the first time in the Pro lineup, Garmin has perfected the Solar AMOLED hybrid. In the past, you had to choose. You either chose the beautiful, vibrant colors of an AMOLED display, or you chose the legendary battery life of an MIP screen with solar charging. The Fenix 8 Pro says, why not both? This display is stunningly bright, even in the direct, harsh sun of the Mojave Desert. Yet it still sips power, pulling energy from the sun to keep you going when every other device in your pack has gone dark. Why does the American adventurer choose a Fenix? It's the maps. While every other smart watch relies on a cellular connection to show you where you are, the Fenix 8 Pro carries the world inside it. We're talking about preloaded topo-active maps with multi-band GPS that is so accurate, it can tell which side of the trail you're walking on. Whether you're navigating the dense forests of the Pacific Northwest or the technical peaks of the Rockies, the SatIQ technology ensures you have the best positioning accuracy while optimizing battery life. It's like having a digital Sherpa on your wrist that never gets tired and never loses its way. But let's go deeper into the Pro features. This isn't just about survival. It's about optimization. The new endurance score and hill score metrics are game changers for the ultramarathoners and the mountain goats among us. The Fenix 8 Pro doesn't just tell you that you ran 10 miles. It analyzes the grade of the climbs, the oxygen cost of your effort, and your history of training to tell you exactly how much gas you have left in the tank. It's the ultimate antidote to the bunk. It knows when you're overtraining before your legs do. It monitors your training readiness by looking at your HRV, your sleep quality, and your stress levels, giving you a daily green light to push for a PR or a red light to take a recovery day. In a culture obsessed with data, the Fenix 8 Pro is the ultimate truth teller. And then there's the flashlight. It sounds simple until you're setting up a tent in the pitch black or trying to find your